Okay, first let's distribute the x through the parentheses here. So we get x squared plus 12x is less than 13. Then subtract 13 from both sides. To get x squared plus 12x minus 13 is less than 0. Now we'll try to factor this. So I'm going to see x plus times x minus to get a negative on the end. The product is 13 and the difference is 12, so 13 and 1 must be the difference here. Anyway, so these numbers, the product is negative 13 and x squared, and then we have negative x plus 13x is 12x. So this is correct. We're wondering where this product is negative. So let's make a line for each of the factors, x plus 13, x minus 1, and the product of those two. The critical points here are at negative 13 and positive 1. And at negative 13, x plus 13 is equal to 0. And if x is larger than negative 13, x plus 13 is positive. If x is smaller than negative 13, then x plus 13 is negative. Similarly, when x equals 1, x minus 1 is 0 there, and if x is bigger than 1, then x minus 1 is positive. If x is less than 1, x minus 1 is negative. So now for the product, a negative times a negative is a positive. 0 times anything is 0. A positive times a negative is a negative. Anything times 0 is 0. And a positive times a positive is a positive. This time we're asking where are the negatives here? Where are the negatives? To graph the solution set then, put circles around 13 and 1. And the negatives are everywhere in between. So the solution set is the open interval consisting all the points that are between negative 13 and positive 1. In interval notation, this is the interval from minus 13, negative 13, up to 1. And in set builder notation, it's the set of all x such that x is between 13 and 1. So those are three ways of expressing the solution set to this quadratic inequality.